One thing I enjoyed last month was picking up a brand new Tesla Model 3. If you watch this video until the very end, you'll know when buying a brand new car is intelligent and when it is not so much from a financial perspective. Hi, my name is Julian. I'm a husband, dad and business owner from Berlin, Germany. This channel is all about living a rich and meaningful life. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel or give it a thumbs up. So, is it wise to buy a brand new Tesla? If you've read Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, then you know that the car or home you buy for yourself is not an asset. A car depreciates over time, so it's actually the opposite of a good investment, at least in most cases. Also, it's even worse if you must take out a loan to finance a car. Please, if you watch this video and being wealthy is essential to you, you must never buy a car that you can't pay for 100% in cash. So why did I buy a brand new Tesla then? First, I was able to pay for the car in cash, and as a business owner I can tax deduct this expense. What does it mean? It means my car is effectively reducing the amount of taxable income. While the total price of my new Tesla was around $53,000, my actual cost is more like $28,000. That's because in Germany, as a business owner, I will get back 19% VAT or sales tax from the state. Next, I can write off the car as a business expense. This effectively reduces my car expense by another 30%. Then I will get an additional 5,000 euros from the state as an incentive to go electric. Next, I can also request a yearly greenhouse gas award. For 2022, this will be a guaranteed 400 euro, and I will continue to do this in the coming years. Finally, I only need to pay car tax starting in 2031. At least this is how it all works in Germany. Then I realized that a nice car contributes to a new and improved self-image. In 2013, my business mentor, who used to be the #1 salesperson for Mercedes-Benz across Australia, said the following: "The car you drive is massively important. It is an outward reflection of you. If you have low self-esteem, you won't be comfortable with a nice car. If you have an awesome car, you will be confident and it will reflect in other areas." Then, in the excellent book You Can Have an Amazing Life in 60 Days, the author writes, "If you surround yourself with quality, you learn to express quality. Make it your goal to say, today I'm going to expand myself just a little further. I encourage you, no matter what your lifestyle, to attempt to increase it by at least 10% every year. Beat out inflation and grow. If you don't, you're stagnating, and once you account for inflation, that means that you're actually going backward." Now, this is in sharp contrast to something that Warren Buffett would do. He's known for driving his car for a long time before considering buying a new one. One of the reasons he got as rich as he is today is that he has good money spending habits. So what do we do? Should we treat ourselves to a brand new car? Or do we buy a used car and invest the difference in something that produces more income in the future? If you can comfortably spend the total amount of the car in cash, go for it and buy it. However, going into debt for a car that quickly depreciates is not very wise from a financial perspective. We should in fact never do that. If you need to get a loan to finance your dream car, that's a big red flag. If you'd like to buy a new car, you should ask yourself the following questions. Do I have more than enough cash to pay the total amount of the car, yes or no? What is more important to me, buying a brand new car but feeling stressed and worried because I am in debt and cash poor? Or do I prefer driving a car that looks and feels a lot less impressive but leaves me with a lot more peace of mind? And finally, do I want to impress others by driving a nice car? Or do I like it because it will make me feel good? In my case, I had the cash, so I just bought the car. If you are in the same position, I encourage you to do the same. It might even motivate you to take your life and career to the next level. Everyone is different, but for me it worked every single time. For example, shortly after moving into a bigger apartment, I increased my revenue substantially. Another time, I bought a business class ticket for $5,000. At the time I was super scared and my wife thought I was nuts doing this. However, this ultimately helped me see myself operating at a higher level in my business. Looking back, I did some other things while stretching my financial comfort zone. They were First, I've created a list of positive affirmations supporting my lifestyle change. Second, I've frequently been closing my eyes and listening to a Bob Proctor meditation on abundance. You'll find the link to that meditation below this video. And third, I've been taking lots of action, for example by making sales calls and hiring someone new to help me in my business. If you watched this video until here, what car do you drive and why? Have you paid for it in cash or are you financing it? Also, how and when did you last upgrade your lifestyle? What were the reasons why you decided to do that? Please do let me know in the comments below. Also, if you've liked this video, please subscribe to this channel or give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and until next time.